Hey guys, today we're going to be making a paper origami dog. Let's get started. Okay, all you need is scissors, paper, and a pen. First step, you've got to get your scissors and cut a square. After you finish cutting, you want to fold it to a triangle. Then from here, you fold it again, this time corner to corner, to make it this, and then unfold it. So now you have a crease in the middle of your paper. After that, you put one finger on the line and then fold one side down to make one ear, and then you do it again on the other side. And then from here, you fold this bit up, one, and then you're done and then you're done making it. And then you grab your pen, draw one eye, then draw another eye, and color it in. And then you color in the other eye. And then you draw a smiley face, where right here, to make the nose. Then you color this in. And then you've got your dog. That's all the time I have today. See you guys next video. Bye.